How to use OCR to convert images to text in Doxillion. To use OCR in Doxillion, add your image files using drag and drop or add files, then select them for conversion. Choose an output format such as TXT or DOCX from the Convert to File menu. Click the OCR button to extract text from the images. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to use OCR to convert images in Doxillion. Optical Character Recognition, or OCR, is a feature that converts text from images or scanned documents, such as JPG, PNG, or PDF files, into editable formats like TXT or DOCX. Start by adding your image or scanned files to Doxillion. You can drag and drop them directly into the program, or click the Add Files button. If you're working with multiple images, use Select All, or hold the Ctrl key to select specific files. Once your files are loaded, go to the Convert to File drop-down menu and choose your desired output format, such as TXT for plain text or DOCX for editable documents. Click the Set Output Folder button to choose where the converted files will be saved. Next, click the OCR button in the top toolbar. The software will scan the images and extract the text into an editable format. When the process is complete, click Open Output Folder to view and access your newly converted files. For more Doxillion tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.